Welcome to our comprehensive guide on different types of drywall. In this video, we'll explore the various types of drywall available, their thickness, size, and usage. Whether you're a homeowner, contractor, or just interested in building materials, this information will be valuable for your projects. Let's dive in. Drywall is categorized based on its thickness. Let's take a look at the four main types. The 1/4-inch drywall, the thinnest option on the market, suitable for covering irregularities in existing walls. It's easy to work with and ideal for slightly rounded or curved walls. 3/8-inch drywall, a thicker option that's perfect for repairing existing drywall and allows for smoother installations on curved walls. 1/2-inch drywall, the most commonly used type, offering a balance between durability and ease of installation. Great for interior walls. 5/8-inch drywall, the thickest drywall, ideal for ceilings to prevent sagging. It's also fire-resistant and soundproof. Now, let's explore the different sizes of drywall available. 4 by 8 feet, the most common size, suitable for small to medium-sized construction projects and easy to handle and install. 4 by 10 feet, used for covering tall walls and expansive ceilings, providing faster and more efficient installation. 4 by 12 feet, the longest length available, perfect for large areas, high ceilings, and creating a seamless appearance with fewer joints. Drywall comes in various types designed for specific applications. Let's take a look at some of them. Regular drywall, the most common type used for interior walls in residential buildings due to its cost-effectiveness. Moisture-resistant drywall, designed with thicker paper and wax treatment to withstand moisture, making it suitable for areas like kitchens and bathrooms. Mold-resistant drywall, specifically treated to resist mold and moisture, offering excellent protection in damp areas. Paperless drywall, uses a fiberglass mesh instead of paper, making it resistant to mold and ideal for humid environments. Fire-resistant drywall, also known as Type X drywall. It has non-combustible fibers and is used in places like garages and apartment buildings. Soundproof drywall, made with a mix of materials to block unwanted noise, commonly used in recording studios and noisy urban areas. Plaster baseboard drywall, ideal for veneer plastering, creating a smooth finish and highly resistant to mold and water. VOC-absorbing drywall, absorbs and converts volatile organic compounds, creating a healthier living environment. Eco-friendly drywall, made from recycled materials, contributing to environmental sustainability while offering quality performance. Flexible drywall, specifically designed for curved or rounded walls, perfect for artistic and retail spaces. Damage-resistant drywall, designed to withstand high traffic areas and offers superior impact resistance, suitable for garages and workshops. Lightweight drywall, weighs less than regular drywall and offers excellent sag resistance, ideal for ceilings and wall studs. Lead-line drywall, provides shielding against radiation, commonly used in hospitals, laboratories, and industrial facilities. Sheathing drywall, tough and moisture-resistant, perfect for outdoor use and providing a solid surface for exterior finishes. Sag-resistant drywall, specifically designed for ceiling installations, minimizing the risk of sagging over time. Thermal insulated drywall, combines drywall with built-in insulation for improved thermal efficiency, ideal for exterior walls and basements. Shaft liner drywall, offers excellent fire resistance and is used in vertical shafts and enclosures. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to the different types of drywall and their usage. Whether you need fire resistance, soundproofing, or moisture resistance, there's a drywall option to suit your needs. Choose the right drywall for your next home construction or renovation project to achieve the best results. If you're in the Philadelphia area and need expert advice and services for your renovation projects, trust Matrix Company Solutions Corp. With over 25 years of industry experience, we offer top-notch craftsmanship and customer satisfaction. Contact us via our free consultation service for all your home renovation needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos. See you next time.